this is Linda from Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to unstake your Tez. Unstaking is very easy, and to do so, you want to be on the staking app and connect your wallet. Once you do, you should see a dashboard view similar to mine. And so to unstake, click on Unstake here. Now we see some important information. Unstaking takes 4 cycles, which equals about 10 days. So a cycle is just a way to measure time on the Tezos network. And as this pop-up tells us, it's a 2-step process. First, we unstake, and then we finalize. This means that we'll have to come back to the app after 10 days. So put it in your calendar, send yourself a reminder, whatever helps you remember, come back after 10 days. I'm gonna click I understand to go to the next step, which is to select the amount that I would like to unstake. So I'm just experimenting here. I'm just gonna put in 1 Tez, but if you want to unstake everything, just click on max here. But for me, 1 Tez is all I want to unstake, and let's unstake. So sending a confirmation screen to my mobile wallet. I'm gonna slide to confirm that I do indeed want to unstake 1 Tez. It's going through right now. Okay, unstake requested. As we can now see, we've unstaked 1 Tez, and it will take 4 cycles. So let's continue and see the changes on our dashboard. Continue. Okay, we're now on our dashboard, and some things have changed. My amount of staked Tez has now changed, and I see that there is now a pending unstake request section here at the bottom. And my request to unstake 1 Tez has gone through. We see the amount and the cycle that it was requested in. At this point, you could probably repeat after me. Staking takes 10 days. So let's come back in 10 days. All right, 10 days later, I'm on the dashboard view. Most of it is the same, except I now have a finalize button down here under pending unstake request. So this is the last step for us to complete the unstaking process. Once we click on finalize, our Tez will be made available again. So let's go ahead and finalize. Let me click on the button. There we go. That all makes sense. I have the confirmation screen on my mobile wallet. I'm sliding to confirm. And is it going through? Still going. Nicely done. We've now finalized the unstaking, and the funds should be part of our available balance. I'm going to click on continue so that we go back to our dashboard to verify this. So continue. Now we're back on our dashboard. So if you remember, we had around 65 Tez available. And now we have 66. Our 1 Tez has been unstaked, and that's it. Now, if you also want to undelegate, check out our video for that.